Kia ora. Welcome to Te Whakarewarewa o Te Ope Tāua a Wāhio, our home, a living village. When you come here, you'll know that you have entered a very special place. Our lifestyle is unique in the world, and our guides will take you on a journey and share with you our living culture and heritage. Whakarewarewa is a landscape of erupting geysers, hot thermal springs and bubbling mud pools. We continue to live here utilising these natural resources for daily cooking, bathing and heating. You can enjoy food cooked from our natural steam vents and hot springs.
We'll also make our way up to our
Enjoy learning about the teachings of our ancestors and the perpetuation of our art, crafts and culture. Meet and interact with the people of Tūhorangi Wāhio. Here at Whakarewarewa, you'll meet some of our village residents on your journey.
The guides, the information was really helpful and really good.
No, I found it really authentic. It was really nice, good experience.
They're keeping the village alive, still using methods that were used for many, many years.
You will leave with the knowledge that you have made friends for a lifetime and that you have contributed towards sustaining our unique cultural way of living. Kia ora, and we look forward to seeing you.